na nkofo aso ayese
yemo parking game orange eye ano no nya siya eno sema akoro supporters ya so pani ba ko so
ya kese aha team na dia kuma so coach no on one gentle coach go for waka Bofakesa waka first half for midfield no atwa na take midfield for system what may change system et you no do yes we team no I heard team ko we against so two quarter when team finish am yes are there from next week home we are there go be see be Kotoko team any quarter team you to me on sa ya bon pro there is also team next match ya kwa we ya ku be chem hanso don't go ya you be so et you coach ni dia so want me who be see the place ni ya dia ya pa no onko am team move onko
Takwaza TV.
Eugene, me TV. Yeah, of course. This is a team before the season. The technical team, the playing body. Omunyina ma hopes, my indicators. Actually said this season they are in for serious business and they are in for contention of the Ghana Premier League. But Eugene, say, contested for the Ghana Premier League. There are some matches you need not to lose these points. Now, no fear that my catcher will say, since Heart of Lions are returning to the Ghana Premier League, Kotoko is yet to lose or Kotoko is yet to win a game against them. Last season, opening season of the season, Kotoko first home game El Baba Sports Stadium, they against Heart of Lions. This Heart of Lions team without Bashir Hayford humiliated Kotoko, tormented Kotoko. And in the second round, whilst they had coach Bashir Hayford as their head coach, almost share Kotoko by 1-0. So in contrast, last season, 6 points at stake between two clubs. Heart of Lions in your 4 against Kotoko. This season, when you had the opportunity to play against him at home, say the Bayer obey points at this early stage of the season. Now, Eugene, this same team, Eba Esabe Show, which is your first loss at the Lenkley Sports Stadium. Yeah. Into the fans, pass it out grievances. They have to pour out their grievances. Say they are indeed, you say they are playing their supporters' role. No supporter will be happy when a team that made them assure say they are going to give them the league trophy at the end of the season. Now I call last 3 league games, Eugene. Kotoko ain't be MPK up 3 maximum points. Now the area to the Kotoko supporters and say this is a weekend that not be any Gold Stars able home against Dreams FC. And Dreams FC Eko holdi Bibiani Gold Stars by a 0-0 draw. Enti my Bibiani Gold Stars 3 points now Komodi be widen the top of the league table no because of that 1 point. Seka Kotoko enya that winner kamena oka say na ka the points gap between Kotoko and Bibiani Gold Stars ebeye only 1 point. But because Bibiani Gold Stars about draw to Dreams FC, na Kotoko couldn't utilize the home opportunity. Ebeye ya. So Eugene, the fans deserve say I was say omoma coach also omoma team no so who say direction the current coach edi omu team ne kono omone coach no any the same opinion or among share the same direction. So I think say they deserve say also omo pass out on omo poor omo grievances because ebeya say ever started season no and a Kotoko playing body Kotoko team no am that assurance that hope say they are going in for the season. I think Ebiaka by now Nanka they would have side with the technical team. But yeah, but started season no per recruitment Kotoko yeah. Actually said they were in for the title. And if you're in for the title, you cannot play your last 3 league games now with me pick the 3 maximum points. So Eugene, fans, they have to do it more. But I am omuntrason tem. Omuntrason tem. Say omokase biya yebesro. So that don't consider the next match of Elkoso, Eugene. Eugene, it's omonkasa sa no more overlook the game ahead na.
So omo bibi nti omunya sa ade ne dia kasa no menye sure so mbejai.
Esa the team will lack that support here free team no. I think Enra we are Kotoko player na okwa full team bus na o share the condition the atmosphere after the game na utimi daya na I think team na woman you don't know the team you are wearing in omujesi. So Eugene, supporters outside with them. But quickly, fan to change kakra. No more consider the next match approach next game because so mama
kasabi we say ento wide
da
minim supporter bi ene wanko adwuma o sedam sa
because of course say the make can use
it ofia na supporter ba ko no bas na ye ko no ye na na ye ko mi wo fie na na munje o twam se kwa manko adwuma Kotoko nti manko adwuma na me se oh ena dia me yiri be di krai ni Kotoko nti manko adwuma ena me no ka se chairman Alexander Sarimanu eno mpie ne me ne kasa kwa mzo yare o shedem sa enra se wo hu na na animu a yes.
But Eugene, in so far by and she said,
but at first, I can't form up a bebu.
But Eugene, the person me chen say the quite now more pass out of grievances no accepted 100%.
Yes, I'm up bebu.
But you have an immediate league game. What's the approach?
Tidia name koi. Atakura.
Eugene, Mamenka say me chiro Kotoko supporters. Ebia, they might not take it light with me, but I start comparison na me babe. Unim say Kotoko omo improve in omo home games omo bo. Say what the omo 5 games omo bo e the current season. What they just oppose omo 5 games e last season ma Kotoko improve. In spite of the loss or in spite of say in their last 3 games, Omuntimin Peke 3 points in Eugene. Last season, Kotoko last first 5 games, it will feel saying an ace here. Kotoko a ball draw to Heart of Lions 0-0. On the Karela United a ball 1-1. On the Aduana Stars. Winning Ediana Stars by 1-0. Obo 1-1 Etia Bechem United. Eno Lusu by Dreams FC. 1-0. Yet some match no and Abdulaziz at the turn home to Ghana football. So be kaya that spectacular free kick I was share that evening at Baba Sports Stadium. Dreams FC share Kotoko by 1-0. So last season no Kotoko opening 5 games no Kotoko wini bako e draw miensa e lusu bako. So in contrast they had 6 points. But Eugene, this season after possible 15 points Chelsea fie because you about 5 league games. Kotoko about 5 league games. So possibly 5 league games. Now I was like Kotoko enya 15 points. But this current season, after 5 games, Kotoko ewa 10 points. Ntina me say me the foul swap for fidikesi so. They should pass out their grievances. But aya omuntwa sontem no mon consider the approach to the immediate game against Bichem United. Last season Kotoko first 5 games. Kotoko enya only 6 points out of 15 points. This season, after 5 home games, Kotoko ewa 10 points. So comparatively, so assess Kotoko opening 5 games ewa fear, there have been an improvement. But the issue now is, Babe starting league, you know, Kotoko team, playing body, technical team, send a signal say they are going in to compete and challenge for the league trophy. It is if you are going to compete for the league trophy, these results supported near you will be taking the light with you. Inti supporters no mutie me. Me so me kra adwene enemy susu ya me dem omo say it's good say omo pass out omo grievances. But Kotoko last opening 5 games it will fear as compared to Kotoko opening 5 games it will fear it will previous season there is an improvement. So I will plead say omunye team no mujidi na omonhwe the way obetimi approach the game against Bichem United. Indeed, say o team ever caught 3 league games. Na ultimately nya 3 maximum points there, Eugene. No supporter will take it light with the head coach of that particular team. And I think say the supporters, they've poured out their problems and they've poured out their grievances. We should accept it and move forward. Say the game against Bichem United, Kotoko bet me reacting in a very positive way, Eugene.